Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to teach you tenses, and in tenses, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense denotes the ongoing process or the action. It is also referred as the verb to be, wherein you are going to learn a lot of things today. Let's get ready. In singular, in present continuous tense, we use is, am, was. With plural, we use are, were. But since this is present continuous only, so we are not going to use was and were here. We are only going to focus on is and am, and plural are. Read these examples. I am eating. She is sleeping. We are learning. These three sentences defines the present continuous tense. Or we can also call it as verb plus ing defines present continuous tense, that is PCT. Now look at these examples. I am cooking. They are cooking. He is cooking. These three sentences are correct grammatically. Let's have a look at the other examples, which says I cooking. They cooking. He cooking. I cook, they cook, he cook. In the first three sentences, you can see although the tense is there, verb to be ing tense is there, but the actual verb is missing. There is no am, are or is. And in the last three sentences, you can see that there is neither any verb nor ing, because there is no verb which is defining the ongoing process, and hence the last six sentences are wrong, while the first three sentences are correct. Let's read further. Alright, now let's look at these examples of different types of sentences for positive, negative and interrogative. For positive, the formula is easy. Subject plus is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing. For negative, it is subject plus is, am, are plus not plus V1 plus ing. For interrogative, it is am, are plus subject plus V1 plus ing. Let's have a look at the examples and how these sentences are transformed into all. She's painting. She's not painting. Is she painting? Second example. You are reading a book. You are not reading a book. Are you not reading a book? We are watching TV. We are not watching TV. Are we not watching TV? Next, he is playing football. He is not playing football. Is he not playing football? I am cooking. I am not cooking. Am I not cooking? Last one says you are writing a letter. You are not writing a letter. Are you not writing a letter? So you see that how these sentences are transformed with the help of the same formula. In positive, there is no not. In negative, there is not. And then in interrogative, the verb comes over before the subject. And that's how the same sentence is transformed into the other two. Right? Stay tuned. Let's continue furthermore. Now it's time for the exercise. Following the same sentences, positive, negative and interrogative, we are now going to solve these questions. For positive, the statement says she's going to the market. Right? So what will be the negative one? She is not going to the market. Right? For interrogative, now the formation will change. And we have to put the question first. So she is a singular, right? Second person. So with that, we are going to use is she going to the market? Question mark. You are reading a book. You are not reading the book. And again with are, we are going to use here. Are you reading a book? In interrogative sentences. The next example of positive is I am going to the temple. The negative will be I am not going to the temple. And interrogative will say Am I going to the temple? I am doing assignments. I am not doing assignments. Am I doing assignments? Question mark. I am following the lockdown rules. I am not following the lockdown rules. There's a question. Am I following the lockdown rules? What do you say? Are you following them? I hope you are. So this is all about present continuous tense. I hope it was easy for you to understand. Now, it's time for some reflection. You have to make 20 sentences of the present continuous tense and check whether you are following this formula and are you able to transform them from one to another or not. Stay tuned for the next chapter. I hope you liked it. Thank you.